I have to study every waking hour in order to become a good doctor. Simultaneously, I also have to keep my body fit and toned in order to maintain that heart bar. If I cannot keep myself fit through the knowledge of human body, how the hell will I be able to take care of the patients in the future? Following are some workout and diet tips which I use during the periods of deep work to maintain my physique. So let's talk about workout first. Remember, it's better to burn at least 100 calories than no calories at all. So no matter how busy you are, you just have to take out 10 to 15 minutes for your body. Remember, it's your body, man. Keep it fit. Nobody else's. It's your temple. So following are 5 kinds of workouts which I use to keep myself fit during the periods of deep work. It won't take much of your time and will help you burn a lot of calories in a small amount of time.
I've been using Freeletics for more than 1 year now and its workouts are still challenging. No equipment required. Hell, there is no need to get out of your room. It has some amazing bodyweight workout plans ranging from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. You can choose a workout according to the intensity and time you need to spend. My favorite is this. Again, no equipment is required. You can use the wall for handstand push-ups and at the most you need a pull-up bar in your room. I have attached a link to the app down below in the description. Second is yoga, my favorite kind of workout. It helps me be more present in the moment and also relieves any kind of stress or anxiety. It strengthens both mind and body. I use YouTube channels Yoga TX, Yoga with Adriene, Jimra for yoga videos. Again, I have attached links to these 3 channels down below in the description. I started my fitness journey with running. If you wanna get out, get that adrenaline rushing through your veins, lace up and get out to run. I run 3 kilometers under 15 minutes. I'll start from the hostel, go around running and come back running. It burns a minimum of 200 calories. Whatever distance you decide to cover by running, do it on a fast pace. Helps burn more calories. If you don't even have that much time, don't worry, I got you covered. Skip at least for 5 to 7 minutes to get that blood flowing through your veins. If you do not have a skipping rope, climb up and down the stairs for 10 minutes at a fast pace. Do anything you want. The motto should be to sweat once a day.
So these are the 5 ways you can get that workout in your busy schedule. Remember, exercising will not only help you remain fit, but it also increases the 3 C's: concentration, confidence, and creativity. Nah, just kidding. So now diet. Remember, diet is more important than workout during the long hours of deep work. Remember, you are sitting on your ass all day long without burning much calories. So how do you avoid getting fat? The answer is eliminate junk and laziness. Make a good diet plan. Don't be dumb. You know what's healthy for you and what's not. And if you are dumb, then educate yourself. Do something about it. Learn about nutrition. Your goal should be to remain in a caloric balance. I personally use a diet low in carb, low in fat and moderately high in protein during my examinations. So devise a good plan, and if you don't know how to devise it, then get someone to devise it for you. Stay under your BMR limit. There are many biometric calculators online. You can easily calculate your BMR and BMI on those websites. Google search it and there will be many links and you can easily calculate it. And accordingly devise a diet plan or get someone to devise it if you don't know anything about nutrition. So now 5 tips on how to keep your diet on track. So first, replace all the junk, all the candies, all the sugar jacked drinks, all the processed foods with healthy stuff. Healthy stuffs including natural foods and whole grain foods, fruits, vegetables, etc. Now I know that you are busy working, studying, preparing for your exam or presentation, etc. You don't have time to meal prep, you don't have time to cook. You still can keep your diet on track by getting in touch with people who provide good food, who provide healthy food. Since I am in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, I use Fit Meals Ahmedabad to keep my diet on track. They provide both the options, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. You can also customize your meals according to your macro requirement, your calorie requirement, etc. If you are in Ahmedabad, check them out, link is down below. Third, increase your fiber and water intake. It's a well-known fact that fiber and water helps in weight loss. Fourth, avoid junk at all costs. Whenever you feel like eating sweets or something like ice cream or chocolate, grab a fruit, grab an apple or orange or banana or whatever. Fifth, do not skip your meals. Eat frequently, eat light, eat well. That's it. That's how you can keep your diet on track and remain fit during the periods of deep work. Remember, all the world's strength and power is within you. You can be anything you want. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with some people who you think will be helpful to. And don't forget to subscribe. You can find me on Instagram. My handle will be somewhere on the screen. This is my design.